bolts with that rope that were looped onto the pin at the top of the throwing arm. Lola gets himself well clear and out of the way. The trebuchet master now steps up to remove the safety devices from the back of the machine. Firstly, he removes the chain, locking the arm down tight. Then, with a shaking hand, he'll pull the pin from beneath the trigger. Trebuchet's locked. Steps up, puts on a helmet to protect himself from the ring, takes the trigger rope and gives the command, add fire. Add fire! The projectile is lit. Now the trebuchet master has to hold his nerve. If he pulls the trigger too early, that ball will go out in flight. Too late, and his trebuchet is on fire. So he holds. And he holds. I'm okay!